Morning, here in Limpopo region this morning. Very nice, 7 degrees. We're doing a kudu hunt with my daughter this morning. It's her first kudu, so we're going to look for a nice bull and see what we get. Welcome. I hope you have a great day, and let's see what we can do. Thanks. Good afternoon. We started this morning looking for a kudu bull. Didn't work out. Find some bulls, but not mature bulls. So we decided to change that, a little bit of tactics. We look for a proper warthog, and we came across this nice boar. She made an exceptional shot. So congratulations on your first pig. I think you can be proud of it. It's not every day you shoot a pig like this. So thank you for watching, and hope you all have a nice day.